friends, welcome. I am doing a giveaway and we're going to call it the three-way giveaway because I have three things that I want to celebrate. The first one is I have reached the milestone of 3,000 subscribers. It's very exciting and I want to share my happiness with you. The other thing I want to celebrate is that I have actually surpassed making 1,000 videos. And then the third thing that I want to celebrate
is my 4-year anniversary on YouTube.
I actually started my channel on October 31st of 2019, and it has been a wonderful adventure, and I have to thank all of you for that. I'm going to be giving away three different things. So there's going to be first prize, second prize, and third prize. One of the things I'm going to give away is a handmade journal, and I haven't decided on if I'm going to give away one that I have or if I'm going to allow the winner to pick a theme and then for me to make that journal for them and get it out to them. I haven't quite decided on that. So I'll get back to you with news on that. Second prize is going to be 3 of my digital kits that I will send to you. Third prize is going to be a goodie box. So if you would like to be entered in my giveaway, please put in the comment section that you would like to be entered, and please do a VR for my channel. And that's it. And I think it would be great to announce the winners on October 31st. Get to the comments ASAP, get a VR out for me. Make sure you tag me in it, obviously, so that I can make a note that you have participated. And I want to thank each and every one of you for checking out my channel, for liking my content, for subscribing to my channel. And that's the thing, you do have to be a visible subscriber on my channel to participate in the giveaway. Obviously you need to be 18 years old.
Please check the description box for all of the details. Thanks for watching. See you soon.